Welcome to KPS Weekly. This week we are highlighting a heartwarming celebration of Rakshabandhan, filled with song, dance and cultural festivities. Here's a look at day's joyous events. At Krishna Public School, Raipur, the air was filled with excitement and festivity as the students gathered to celebrate Rakshabandhan, the cherished festival symbolizing the bond between brothers and sisters. A soulful performance of Rakshabandhan themed song filled the air with melody. The students' heartfelt performances highlighted the festival's significance and added a touch of musical charm to the celebration. The celebration continued with a spectacular dance performance. Students showcased their talent through a lively and colorful dance, capturing the essence of Rakshabandhan with their energetic moves and traditional attire.
सच में एक ये चमन मेरा प्यारा तू भैया लेती हूँ बलिया मेरा प्यारा तू भैया लेती हूँ बलिया दीप नेह की जलाए बहन आई है मेरी राखी की डोर कभी होना कमजोर भैया दे दो कलाई बहन आई है। सजाए बहन आई है मेरी राखी की डोर कभी होना कमजोर
tuned for more stories and updates. Thank you for watching.